Welcome to MacroCode. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So today we are continuing with our e-recruitment system. So if you're new to this channel, consider watching some of our videos that we have done about our e-recruitment platform. So this is the part 3 of this video. So today we are going to proceed with some of the enhancements that we are doing on this application. So if you are following, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and give us some insights on what you want to see on this application. So we have audit logs. As you can see, we have some audits. So when you create records, it actually creates some logs within our system. So the app has just started, so we have not gone far. So we have the geolocations where we were creating the cities across the country. The countries, we are creating all the counties, then the countries, and we have the administration section where we have now started with the audit logs. We also have the currencies. So here we can be able to create all the currencies that are available within there. So you can actually create all the currencies. So I'll just put in, let's say, UGS, say Uganda. So we'll be importing some of this data so that we don't get a lot of, so you say Uganda shillings. You can also set if this is a default currency. So if I just save that, you're able to see that we have some records here. So the next thing is company information. So the company information, this is the information about a MacroCode. So on our previous videos, we are actually updating this section. So if we come to, so you can see here should be update company information. So let's say, so we'll come here and say, come to companies, then index. So here these should be companies, then you say add. So this should be add. Let me just zoom this so that you're able to see. So this should be add company information. Add company information. Then it should actually go to create companies controller. So let's see if we have it. So this is it. So let's launch it. So remember to subscribe on MacroCode, like the video, comment down below, and share with some of your colleagues so that you keep us updated. So we have company info. Let's see. So if we click add, so you can see we have some issues here. So let's see what is wrong there. So companies create, so we'll come here, then create. So let's get rid of this. Then let's see how our form looks like. Say create company information. So let's do away with this one. Sorry. So if we do that, let's launch and see. So if we go, so this is our landing page. So we'll be doing the series about the landing page, but for now we are just doing the administration module. So let's see. So if we click add, so you can see this is our form. So let's make this form more appealing. So we are done one for the counties. So I'm going to copy our approach here. Then come here. So I'm going to do this. So we say, sorry, I'll just do this. So this is it. Let me update this here. Create company information. Then see how it is. So I should close here. 1. So this is it. So they should be 6. Let's do this. It should be, let's say, 12. Then we can have these also. Let's say we have been doing this. We can have these as 6, 6. So let's do this way, this way, this way. So I'm just copying so that we move faster. So these are form for the company information. So let's go to our so let's go to administration, then company info. So I want us to do this way. So let's have this as DAV plus row. Sorry. So do that. So put this in a row. Let's see. Let's go to company info. Create. So our form is taking shape. There's something wrong here. So that is it. Let's create, so our form is taking shape. So the company name, let's say macro code, put in the address, the country. So this country should take the name and not the code. So you should take here the name. So let's see here. So you can see our name is now appearing. So this is selecting country, put in phone number, put in the email address, term and condition, then the website, test.com, company number, the logo. So we'll actually be providing an attachment here. So let's see if it can create. So let's have the button. Let's have the button. let's take what we had done. So most of the things here we will be replicating because we had save country, save company information. So let's launch and see. Save that. So I'm seeing what is the issue. So come to our companies. So I'm going to remove this. So you only have our model. Then I don't know if there is any relations here. Yeah, so they should be fine. Yeah, it is. So we'll remove this. Sorry. So we'll be currently I'm just doing default, but we'll be cleaning this code as we move along. So keep in touch so that you don't. Okay, so let's see. So down. So you can see our data has been added. So let's update our buttons here to look a bit better. You can see these buttons. So at the top on our index, so you can have these as, let's take what we have done for the countries. So we have the edit and view. So let's have this here. Then let's also copy the buttons. So copying these buttons here. So this is how it looks. So we can actually reduce some of the information here. So we can have the name, address, country, phone number. Let's get rid of these two, website and the terms of. Get rid of that so that you don't get too much information. So let's do this. So when you come to company information, so you can see you have the logo. So this will be the address of the logo. So you'll be able to see that. Then you have the edit and view. So that is it. So you're trying to just have a crude information. So we have the email settings. So this is where you have the emails that our application will be using. So here we can update our search. So here we can search either by the email address, host name, or its default. So we can provide some search there. So let's update that search. So it's not representing what we need. So let's come to email settings. So you'll search for email settings here. So you have the section for that. So I'm going to replace this with our, then here you can say email address. So these will be, so you're going to use email address. Then these should be, you can say this is post name. So this is post name. Then you can say search email. So if you have a lot of emails that can be used by the system, then you can have it there. So come to our email settings. So you can add another email. So you can say backend coders 2, Gmail, this is the password, this is the port, send a full name. So then you can enable cell and you can save it. So you can see it is actually saving. Then you can search our email there. So that is it under emails. Then you have the job categories. So these are the job categories. So if we click add, it should add the job categories. So let's see our job categories. Job categories. So let's search for the job category sections here. So yeah, so there we are. So if we create, it should take us to the controller of. Do you have the job categories controller? Yes. So this is it. Let me stop this. So rename, then take that here. So then I can say add new job category. So if we do that, then we can create another job category. So I'll launch our app. You see, so for those who are new to this channel, consider subscribing and watching our videos. So let's have our job categories. So there we are. So if I click create, you can see we have an issue. So we need to remove something here. Job categories under create. Remove this. So another thing that we need to update our form to look a bit better the way we have been doing. So this we can, let me just borrow from our counties. So we're going to borrow this, then I can have it under job categories, then create. So you can do that. Say add new job category. Then we need to close it down here. So I'll do that. So I'll also do that. I'll have it here as row. Then I need to have all of this enclosed here. So I'll do that. Then I can see this. So let me just copy this. Then come to our countries. I'll do that. Let's see if that will work. Do that. Also do that. Sorry. I'll also do that. Also close this here. Then I come. So let's see our app. So you can say this is job category. So if we launch our app, you'll be able to see So let's do that. So we create new, so you can see, you can say this is the code of the job. We say nursing. So nursing category. Then you can actually have a photo. So we'll also be doing the uploads here. So if we click create, so you can see it as created. But now we need to have our button look a bit better. So we can borrow what we have done and there are others. So if we come to job categories, so you can have this here. Then you can say save job category. So if we do that, let's launch our app and see. So this is our app. So let's do that. So we can see under job categories. So if I say add new, so I can say doctor, then doctor, then you'll have the photo there. So that is it. So you can see we can also update our search here. So also our button, I need to do something here. I can actually break it that way. So our search, we need to have some, so you can see it requires, can say the name and the code and the description only. Let me just come to our index, then I'll do away with this. Then I can say category code, category name, and you can have another one called description. Then you can say search job. So you can actually like do search instead of repeating. So you can do that. So this is you can say, sorry, let's update this to say code, and you can say name, let's say description. So we do that. So do that, and then let's see. So there we are. We can add another one. We say pharmacy. So we can do that. Now so that is it. So that is job categories. Then we can have the job tags. So if we click add new job tag, so this is taking us to the wrong. So come to job tags on the index. So we need to have create new job tags. So this is add new job tag. So this should take us to the create new job tags controller. So we need to redirect that here. So I'll do that. Then I'll also update. So let's see if it will work. So come to job tags. Sorry, let me stop that first. So come to job tags. So I'm going to run that. So I'll do that. So under job tags, we'll come to job tags. So if we create add, you can see it is now taking us there. So you can actually make our form better. We can use the same thing we did under categories. So I'm going to copy these, then come to job tags under create, and I'm going to do that. Then I'll say add new job tag. Then I need to close it. I need to close that. There it is. So I also need to have these as a row. So I can say this is a row, then I can copy this and I say this is called 6. So I want to close this. So this is closed, so I need to copy this here, and I can close it here. Also need to do that, then I can close it here, then I need to close the row. Then my button, I can borrow the buttons here. Then I can do under job tags create, so I can update this, say save job tag. Then let's do that, and you can say this is job tag. So if we launch our app, so that is it. So we'll do that. So I'll do that. So if we come to, so that is it. So we come to job tags. So I can create another job tag. You say medical, then you save it. Can add another one, medical. So this is just some dummy data as we're trying to create this so that we'll actually do a complete test. So job tags, we can update our, let's have our app filters. So let's have our filters so let's have our filters. So let's have our filters right. So come to this one, so you can copy the filters. So under job tags, I'll do that. Then under job tags, you can say the name, the tag code, and the tag name. Tag name. Then you can do away with the description. Then we can say search. So here will be, so this will be fine. So I think I'll remove our title. Need to have our title here. The job tags. Let's say these job tags. So launch our app. So let's go there. So if we do that, under job tags, you can see you have the tag name. We can create another tag, say pharmacy, save it. So there we are. So that is it, guys, for today's video. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and watching some of our previous videos, so that you keep on subscribing, and we'll be enhancing this application. As you can see, the application is taking shape, So remember to subscribe and comment down below in case you need us to demonstrate something using this application. See you on our next video.